Hello, my name is David Reyes, and I am a candidate for the Adult Services Librarian position with the Westerville Public Library. For this presentation, I want to pitch the idea for a potential workshop series focused on creating multimedia videos. Now, when we think of online videos, we tend to think of the latest viral sensation or the many cat videos that are found around YouTube. However, learning how to make videos can have a significant impact on how you choose to present information. You can create a portfolio of digital work, use it as a tool for storytelling, or even as a method to provide a presentation, such as the one that you're currently viewing. If you are interested in making a video, it's often difficult to know where to start. In my experience, it's important for a user to understand not only how to make a video, but also to see how feasible such a project can be. This workshop would walk patrons through the process of creating a multimedia video and present them with various options and considerations. Now, one of the first steps in making a video is to create a storyboard. Storyboards are known mainly as a tool within filmmaking, allowing someone to break down a scene shot by shot. Doing a visual breakdown of what you intend to include in your video is extremely helpful. It allows you to lay out your story from start to finish and makes the process of creating a video much more manageable. The next step would be in determining if your video requires footage to be recorded from a camera, or if it would need to be created on a computer. This is an important distinction to make, as each option requires different tools. Both options require a script, either for on-camera speaking or for a voiceover narration. With the advent of smartphones, recording footage has never been easier. The workshop would show users how to properly utilize their own devices in order to capture what they need for their videos. It would also go over other options available for patrons to record, with varying degrees of difficulty. For those who are looking to turn a presentation or other digital work into a video, the workshop would provide information on how to properly record a voiceover. It would cover equipment usage, delivery styles, and best practices. For example, some people like to record their voiceover in a single take, while others prefer to record their audio in separate segments, myself included. The last step of the workshop would be going over options for video creation. We would provide them with directions on how to utilize the software available within the library, while also giving them recommendations for software they can use at home, some of which is free for the user. Now, I know this workshop idea can be seen as a little bit ambitious, or may even seem outside the realm of what a public library should offer. However, I think this workshop would provide some insightful information for patrons with various interests and age ranges. I can see this workshop being pitched to teens who are looking to find a creative outlet that they perhaps hadn't considered. It could also be useful for any local small business owner who might be interested in making some quick and easy advertisements. Now, the prospect of putting together various segments into a single video can seem intimidating. However, I think with the prep work and foresight of planning, I believe the patrons would walk away with a more comfortable understanding of what it would take for them to make a video. I also think the workshop would provide an opportunity for collaboration. Firstly, with the staff in the Technology Center, as we would refer interested patrons to them in order to utilize the media stations available in their area. But also, we would have an opportunity to look locally to see if there are any partnerships that we could use to help interested parties further. There may be locations for recording, businesses providing particular services, or other resources that could be helpful. I could also envision this workshop actually being part of a series, with each element broken down into their own workshop topic. Perhaps we could start out with a general workshop that was more informational, with more hands-on workshops should there be interest. Well, I hope this video serves as an example of how my particular skill set and interests might benefit the patrons of the Westerville Public Library. I would be more than happy to answer any follow-up questions you may have. I thank you so much for your time and consideration.